Very good afternoon, dear students. The last class discussed about one mass question. Today we are discussing about two mass question. See the question number 1. If capital A is equal to 4 minus 1, 0, 3, 2 minus 3, find 5 by 2 into A. We need to calculate 5 by 2 into A matrix, and second one is minus 2 by 3 into A. How to find the 5 by 2 into A means, you can check it once. Here, solution given capital A is equal to given matrix is 4 minus 1 0 3 2 minus 3. What is the first one they are asking? Find 5 by 2 into A. Find 5 by 2 into A is nothing but 5 by 2 is nothing but a scalar element. Whenever scalar element and one matrix given, each element product with the scalar element is 5 by 2. Now observing here, in the asking question, find that 5 by 2 into A means write 5 by 2 into substitute A matrix 4 into minus 1 0 3 2 minus 3. So now each element multiply with the 5 by 2. Each element multiply with the 5 by 2. So first element into 5 by 2 is 4 into 5 by 2. Then second minus 1 into 5 by 2. And second row first element is 0 into 5 by 2. 3 into 5 by 2. And 2 into 5 by 2. And minus 3 into 5 by 2. Each element product with the 5 by 8. Now 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. Product 5 into 2 10. So minus 1 into 5 by 2 is minus 5 by 2. 0 into anything is 0. 3 into 5 by 2 is 15 by 2. Now 2 to get cancelled. Left of the element is 5. Minus 3 into 5 by 2 is minus by 2. This value is, this required value is 5 by 2 into E. This is a solution of the first one. Second one, what is they asking? Find minus 2 by 3 into A. Is nothing but here minus 2 by 3 is the scalar element into substitute A matrix is 4 minus 1 0 3 2 minus 3 means each number product with the minus 2 by 3. Each number product with minus 2 by 3 means 4 into minus 2 by 3 minus 1 into minus 2 by 3 0 into minus 2 by 3 3 into minus 2 by 3 2 into minus 2 by 3 minus 3 into minus 2 by 3. Now minus into minus is plus. 4 to the 8 by 3. Minus into minus plus. 1 into 2 by 3 is 2 by 3. 0 into anything value is 0. 3 3 get cancelled. Left of the value is minus 2. Plus into minus is minus. 2 into 2 by 3 is 4 by 3. 3 3 get cancelled. Minus into minus plus into 2. This is value of minus 2 by 3 into A. This is a required solution. In the given A matrix, find that 5 by 2 into A. Thus we need to calculate 5 by 2 into A means substitute 5 by 2 into substitute A matrix. Each element product with the scalar element is 5 by 2. Finally, we get the required values 5 by 2 in here. We got answer is 10 minus 5 by 2, 0, 15 by 2, 5 minus 15 by 2. Same like second one asking minus 2 by 3 into A. So each element multiplied with the minus 2 by 3. We can each element product with minus 2 by 3. We get the final answer is 8 by 3, 2 by 3, 0, minus 2, minus 4 by 3, 2. This is a required solution. You understood how to find the scalar multiplication of a given matrix. Next we are going to second problem. So I think you are understanding this question. Next we are discussing about second question. Very easy, simple question. Whenever scalar multiplication of the matrix is given, so each element product with the scalar element. Next one is second one. If capital A is equal to 1 3 minus 1 minus 1 0 2 1 3 minus 1 minus 1 0 2 and b is equal to given matrix is 4 minus 1 2 and 1 3 minus 2 1 3 minus 2. They are asking find first one is 2a plus 3b 2a plus 3b. Second one is a minus 3b a minus 3b. Third one is a plus 1 by 3 into b. So in the given A matrix and B matrix we need to calculate. First one is 2a plus 3b, second one is a minus 3b, third one is a plus 1 by 3 into b. So see the solution. First one they are asking 2a plus 3b means 2 into substitute A matrix is 1 3 minus 1 minus 1 0 2 plus 3b means 3 into substitute B matrix 4 minus 1 2 1 3 minus 2. Now 2 is a scalar element, that's why each and every product with 2. 2 into 1 is 2, 2 3 are 6, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, 2 into 0 0, 2 into 2 4 plus 3 is a scalar element, that's why each and every product with 3 3 4 are 12, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 into 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6. So 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Now addition of two matrices, that means we are adding corresponding elements, means adding corresponding first element plus first element. 2 plus 12, 6 minus 3, minus 2 plus 6, minus 2 plus 3, 0 plus 9, 4 minus 6. We are adding corresponding elements, nothing but first element plus first element, second element plus second element, third element plus third. We can adding like that. Finally get answer is 2 plus 12 is 14, 6 minus 3 is 3, minus 2 plus 6 is value is plus 4, minus 2 plus 3 the value is 1, 0 plus 9 is 9, 4 minus 6 is minus 2. This matrix nothing but 2a plus 3b. This is the first one answer. Next one, what is the second one they are asking? Find that a minus 3b means first substitute A matrix is 1 3 minus 1 minus 1 0 2 minus 3 3 into substitute B matrix is 4 minus 1 2 1 3 minus 2. Now first matrix like as the same matrix 1 3 minus 1 minus 1 0 2. Each level product with 3, so 3 4 is 12, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, 3 into 2 6, 3 into 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 into minus 12 is minus 6. Now subtraction of two matrices, we are subtraction of corresponding elements. First element minus first element, 1 minus 12, 3 plus 3 minus 1 minus 6. Second row first element minus first element, so minus 1 minus 3, 0 minus 9, 2 plus 6. We are subtracting the corresponding elements. Finally we get the answer is 1 minus 1 is minus 7, 3 plus 3 is 6, minus 1 minus 6 that value is minus 7, minus 1 minus 3 that value is minus 4, 0 minus 7 value is minus 9, 2 plus 6 is 8. This value is a minus 3b. So you understand how to find the a plus 3b. Second one is a minus 3b. 2a plus 3b. 2 into substitute A matrix plus 3 into B. B substitute B matrix. After that A matrix each element product with 2. B matrix each element product with 3. After that addition of two matrices condition is we are adding corresponding elements. Finally we get the answer is 2a plus 3b is equal to 14 3 4 1 9 minus 2 like that. Second one they are asking A minus 3b. So substitute A matrix minus 3 into substitute B matrix. B matrix each element product with 3. After that subtracting the corresponding elements, finally we get the answer is minus 7, 6, minus 7, minus 4, minus 9, 8. This is the required solution. That is the first one answer, that is the second one answer. Next one is third one. Third one, what they are asking? Find the A plus 1 by 3 into B. What they are asking? Third one is A plus 1 by 3 into B. So that's why first substitute A matrix is 1, 3, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 2 plus 1 by 3 into substitute B matrix is 4, minus 1, 2, 1, 3, minus 2. Now, first matrix you are writing as it is 1, 3, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 2. Each element product with 1 by 3. That's why 4 into 1 by 3 is 4 by 3. Minus 1 into 1 by 3 is minus 1 by 3. 2 into 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. So 1 into 1 by 3 is 1 by 3. 3 into 1 by 3 is 3 by 3. So minus 2 by 3. Now adding corresponding elements. So first element of 1 plus 4 by 3. 3 minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 plus 2 by 3. So minus 1 plus 1 by 3. 0 plus 3 divided that value is 1. 0 plus 1. So 2 minus 2 by 3. So we are adding corresponding elements. After that LCM is 3. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 plus 4 7. So 7 by 3 dot. 3 into 3 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. So we get the answer is 8 by 3. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 2 is value is minus 1 by 3. So minus 1 plus 1 by 3. So LCM is 3. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 1 by 3 is minus 2 by 3. 0 plus 1 is 1. 3 2 is 6. 6 minus 2 4. So 4 by 3. So these are the required solution of the third one is A plus 1 by 3 into B. So substitute A matrix plus 1 by 3 into substitute B matrix. B matrix each element product with 1 by 3. After the rest of 2 matrices, that condition is we are adding corresponding element. The LCM is 3. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 plus 4 value is 7 by 3. 3 3 is 9. 9 minus 1 value is 8 by 3. Minus 3 plus 2 that value is minus 1 by 3. Here minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 by 3. 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 minus 2 by 3. Take LCM is 3. 3 2 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 by 3. These are required solution. So you have understood how to find the A plus 1 by 3 into B. Next we are discussing about third one. So very easy questions. Don't confuse and explaining each every step. So don't by heart. First we are understanding the concept. So how to adding those two matrices, how to multiplication of two matrices. I will explain each every step. You should follow that one. Next one is third one. If capital A is equal to 3214, 3214 and B is equal to 1 minus 1, B is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 2, 3 and C is equal to minus 3, 4, 2 minus 1. C is equal to minus 3, 4, 2 minus 1. Find 3a minus 2b, 3a minus 2b minus 4c. What we are asking? Find the 3a minus 2b minus 4c. In the given matrix, in the given question, A matrix and B matrix, C matrix is given. We need to calculate 3a minus 2b minus 4c. We know how to adding two, but here given 3 matrices. How to adding 3 matrices? You can listen carefully. First of all, they are asking 3a minus 2b minus 4c is equal to 3 into substitute A matrix. 3 into substitute A matrix is 3, 2, 1, 4. Next one is minus 2 into substitute B matrix 1, minus 1, minus 2, 3. Next one is minus 4 into substitute C matrix is minus 3, 4, 2, minus 1. Now each element product with 3, 3 3 are 9, 3 2 are 6, 3 into 1 is 3, 3 4 is 12. In this matrix each element product with 2, 2 into 1 is 2, minus 2, minus 4, 6. In this matrix each element product with 4, 4 into 3 is minus 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 2 is 8, 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. Now we are subtracting the three matrices, means we are subtracting corresponding elements. First we need to calculate this one. So we are subtracting corresponding elements. 9 minus 2 and 6 minus half minus 2 is plus 2. 3 minus half minus 6 plus 4. 12 minus 6. So last matrix write as it is. Minus 1, 16, 8, minus 4. You know concept. Directly we are adding first corresponding elements. 9 minus 2 minus 12. You should do like that also you get the answer. You don't know, first you have to calculate these two matrices. After the what are getting matrix, that one and the last matrix we have to subtracting. Now 9 minus 2 value is 7, 6 plus 2 value is 8, 3 plus 4 value is 7, 12 minus 6 value is 6, minus 12, 16, 8, minus 4. Now we are subtracting corresponding elements. So 7 minus half minus 1 is plus 12, 8 minus 16, next 7 minus 8, 6 minus half minus is plus 4. We get the final answer is 7 plus 12 is 19, 8 minus 16 that value is minus 8, 7 minus 8 value is minus 1, 6 plus 4 value is, and this matrix value is 3a minus 2b minus 1. This is the process for the find the 3a minus 2b minus 4c. Each element product with 3a matrix, b matrix each element product with 2, and c matrix each element product with 4. After that, first we have to calculate those two matrices, subtracting corresponding elements. We get the matrices 7 8, 7 6 minus this third matrix right as is. After that, we are subtracting the corresponding elements. Finally, we get the required answer is 3a minus 2b minus 4c is equal to 19 minus 8 minus 1 10. So you understood how to find this one. Next we are discussing about fourth one. So very easy. The fourth one, if capital A is equal to 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 1, 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 1, and B is equal to, in the given matrix is 3 4 minus 5 1, find, and O is a null matrix, and O is a null matrix or zero matrix. Null matrix is nothing but each every element will be 0. It is called a null matrix. So O is a null matrix of order 2 by 2. So of order 2 by 2 means, so null matrix is given order is 2 by 2 rows and 2 columns, and find the matrix C. Find the matrix C. First question is 2C is equal to A plus B. 2C is equal to A plus B, and second one is A plus C is equal to 0, and third one is B plus 5C is equal to A. B plus 5C is equal to A, and the fourth matrix given 3A plus 5B, 3A plus 5B plus 2C is equal to 0. Observe in this question, A matrix given, B matrix given, we need to calculate C matrix. First one observing. So solution. First one, they are given 2c is equal to a plus b. 2c is equal to a plus. What they are asking? Find the c matrix. That's why only c matrix left hand side. Remaining value have to send the right hand side. But already c's left hand side is there. Remaining value is right hand side is there. That's why directly we have to find the c matrix. Now 2c is equal to, substitute a matrix is 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 1 plus b matrix is 3 4 minus 5 1. We are adding corresponding elements 1 plus 3 minus 3 plus 4 minus 4 minus 5 minus 1 plus 1. We are adding corresponding elements. 1 plus 3 value is minus 4, not plus 4. Minus 3 plus 4 value is plus 1. Minus 4 minus 5 value is minus 9. Minus 1 plus 1 value is 0. But there is only c matrix. But x what is it? 2 send the right hand side, we go to the denominator. So 1 by 2 into 4 1 minus 9 into 0. So finally we get the c matrix is equal to 1 by 2 into 4 1 minus 9 0. Each number of product with 1 by 2, we get the answer is 4 into 1 by 2. So 1 into 1 by 2 minus 9 into 1 by 2, 0 into 1 by 2. Finally we get the answer is 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, that value is 2. 1 by 2 minus 9 by 2 0. Finally we get the answer is c is equal to 2 1 by 2 minus 9 by 2 0. So in the first question there is 2c is equal to a plus b, but according to given question find the matrix c. So left hand side c is there, but extra one is a 2. You can take right hand side denominator. So c is equal to 1 by 2 into, adding those two meters we get the matrix value is 4 1 minus 9 0. Each number product with 1 by 2. Finally we got the c matrix is 2 1 by 2 minus 9 by 2 0. These are required solution. Next one, second one they are asking here. Second one, what is the given question is a plus c is equal to 0, but in according to question they are asking matrix c. That's why I am taking matrix c only left hand side. Remaining matrix we are taking right hand side. So plus matrix we are taking left right hand side, we get the minus a. So now c is equal to minus into, substitute a matrix is 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 1. Each element product with negative value. So minus into plus 1 is minus 1. Minus into minus 3 is a plus 3. Minus into minus 1 is plus 4. Minus into minus 1 is plus 1. Finally we got the c matrix is minus 1 3 4 1. These are required solution for the second one. Next we are going to third one. What is the given? Third one in the given question is b plus 5c is equal to a. 5c is equal to plus b matrix we can take right hand side. We get the matrix is negative b. Now substitute the a matrix and b matrix. We are substituting the corresponding elements 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 1 minus b matrix is 3 4 minus 5 1. Now we are